name is LaDonna. Welcome to this gratitude flow. I wanted to bring you out here to my soon-to-be new space. This is a concrete pad in my backyard where my new studio will go. So I just wanted to come out here and get used to filming and feeling how it would feel in this new space. So I have a lot of gratitude that's coming really soon. Also, I made this short 10-minute gratitude flow for you so that you could, even when you don't have much time, fit it into your schedule. So we're going to get moving. Go ahead and get your mat and just a cushion today. That's all you'll need. All right, we'll see you in a few. Come to the top of your mat. We will begin our flow with our first round in a beginner's flow. On our second round, I will transition to a slightly more difficult flow, but we'll leave the cues for beginners throughout. Honor your body and where you are now. Try the next level if things feel too easy, and feel free to alternate between the two levels. We will begin our first flow with our feet and knees hip distance apart, keeping a slight bend in our knees here. Bring your palms to touch here at your heart center and close your eyes for a moment here to check in. Begin to deepen your breath here, in and out through your nose. Our focus is gratitude, so we will begin with an affirmation here. Repeat this affirmation out loud or in your mind. I am grateful that I have all I need internally to create all I desire externally. I am grateful that I have all I need internally to create all I desire externally. Inhale, raise your hands above your head, bring your palms to touch. Exhale, fold forward with bent knees, forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway, hands above your knees, straighten your back for halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat, come to your knees, bring your chest to the mat and then your chin. Release. Inhale, rise into a small cobra or lift up into up dog. Exhale into a modified down dog on your knees or lift up into down dog. Bring your feet to the mat if they aren't there already and walk to the top of your mat with bent knees. Staying in a forward fold here, place your hands on your hips and with a flat back come to standing. Allow your hands to fall to your sides, palms facing forward. Now for a second flow, we will add some variations. You can either keep your knees and feet hip distance here, or you can bring your feet closer together here. Inhale, raise your arms and bring your palms to touch. Exhale, forward fold. You can play with the bend in your knees here and see if it feels different. Inhale, halfway lift, roll your shoulders back and straighten your back. Exhale, bring your hands to the mat, knees, chest, chin on your knees, or high plank to low plank, your choice. Inhale into a small cobra or lift into up dog. Exhale into a modified down dog on your knees or up into full down dog. Take a few deep breaths here. If you're in full down dog, you can pedal out your feet here. Come to your feet if you're not there already, and step or hop to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, hands above your head, bring your palms to touch, and bring your palms to heart center. Lovely. Now hopefully you have warmed up a little here, and we are going to speed it up just a little bit. Inhale, arms up, bring your palms to touch. Bring in a little back bend here if you desire. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat, knees, chest, chin on your knees, or high to low plank. Inhale, small cobra or up dog. Exhale, modified down dog or full down dog. Come to your feet if you're not already there, and step or hop to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hands up high, bring your palms to touch. Slight back bend here. And then release your hands to heart center. Come onto your hands and knees here and release into a child's pose. With your knees either together or wide apart here, yogi's choice. Find stillness and deepen your breath. Let's take a moment here for some gratitude. Repeat this affirmation out loud or in your mind. I am grateful for the strength and energy to pursue my passions. I am grateful for the strength and energy to pursue my passions. Great. Now come to your hands and knees and find your center here. Knees right under your hips, palms directly under your shoulders. We're going to do a balancing pose here. Once you find your center, straighten your right leg. Stay up on your toes here for a moment. Then bring your left arm out in front here, fingers pointing forward. You can stay here if you'd like, or go ahead and raise that right leg here. Hold here for a couple of breaths. Great. Now release and wiggle it out here for a moment. Nice. Now find some stillness and your center here again. Kick your left leg back here, resting on your toes. And then bring your right hand forward here, fingers pointing forward. Again, you can stay here if desired. You're already working so much on your balance right here. If you want to take it further, go ahead and lift that left leg here and hold for a couple of breath cycles. Great work. Release into child's pose here. Begin to make your breaths a little bit deeper here. And repeat this affirmation out loud or in your mind. I am grateful for inner wisdom and guidance. I am grateful for inner wisdom and guidance. We will now come into a seated position, one that is comfortable for you, on a cushion if you desire. We've kept this practice short and sweet, a practice you can even throw into a busy day. Rest your hands on your knees here and take a moment to be grateful for your practice today. We will end here with one more gratitude affirmation to take into your day. I am grateful that abundance and joy flow through me. I am grateful that abundance and joy flow through me. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. I am truly grateful for you. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video today, please take the time to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment, I love to hear your comments, and also hit the notification bell. That way you're always aware when I download a new video. Thank you so much for your support. Namaste.